So you want to know what electric motorcycles sound like? This is definitely a question that I had early on, and today I'm going to show you a couple of videos looking at racing, drag racing, burnouts, wheelies, the whole lot. We're going to get an idea of what electric motorcycles sound like, and it is a little bit different. And they do sound a little bit like giant Makita power tools. Just kidding guys, here it is, electric motorcycles and what they sound like.
Jesus f***ing Christ! Oh! Oh my God!
Sorry the video is a little bit shorter today guys. I'm currently in the middle of moving houses, so I didn't really have the time to put together the research. Next week we'll be back to normal. If you guys enjoy futuristic motorcycle technology, hit subscribe and I'll be sure to keep bringing you content every week. And thank you for watching the video.